Jamal Mecklai joins us to give us a better sense of which way rupee is headed in the near term. Jamal, all my friends in the currency market are simply saying one thing: oh my God, I guess today's carnage in rupee is getting the fear of God back in the system.
Well, I think the fear of God has been in the system for a while. This is hardly a surprise, I mean, the U.S. Employment numbers were expected, and if they were good, this is bound to happen. I'm saying the situation is still continuing to unfold overseas, right? I mean, you see, there are lots of medium-term positives, right, both in India and globally. But it's the immediate term that is a problem. And frankly, I don't know what anyone can do. I mean, I think I would say, usually they say in life there is no silver bullet, but maybe RBI needs to do something way out of the box. Like even in this situation, let's say cut interest rates, because ultimately there's nothing they can do. The reserves are hardly useful in a sort of explosive situation like this. You can't control it. Maybe you should just focus on growth. I mean, inflation, as you say, monsoon is good, et cetera, commodity prices are coming down. It is a risk. But, hey, all we got is risk today.
So, Jamal, how much more downside do you foresee for the currency, considering the global situation is still just about playing out before we can see any meaningful recovery?
How can anybody answer that question? Right? I mean, there is no way to answer that question. I mean, it could stop tomorrow and it could keep falling for another month or 2 or 3 or 4. I mean, I don't know. Right? I'm saying there's nothing, I don't believe there's anything anyone can see. The one other thing is that, I don't think equity money will go out, right? Debt money may go out, but I mean, a lot of it has already gone out. I think 6-8 billion has gone out. How much more is there to go out? All of it is not going to go out, right? So maybe it will sort of taper after a while with the rupees falling because money is going out, right? Exports by global markets are also pretty tough, and all these things take a little time to sink in. That's it. There are a lot of medium-term pluses in the dollar strength. One is that commodity prices are down. Monsoon is excellent. I don't know. Frankly, I've been thinking about this for weeks, right? It's not like I know what to do. Right? Nobody really knows what to do, and I'm thinking the only thing I can think of is go the other way, and cut interest rates. Maybe you'll get growth back. Maybe that will be some signal of that may change sentiment. But when I say cut, I mean cut seriously, 1%, not 0.25%.